Carnival of Cultures, Australia's celebration of diversity. Hello, language learners. Today, we're journeying to Australia to discover the vibrant Carnival of Cultures, an event that truly epitomizes the nation's rich and diverse tapestry of cultures. By understanding these cultural celebrations, we not only learn the language better but also appreciate the heartbeat of its native speakers. So, let's dive in. The Carnival of Cultures is an annual event celebrated in parts of Australia. It's not just a festival, but a vibrant expression of Australia's multicultural identity. Through music, dance, food, and arts, people from various backgrounds come together to celebrate their unique traditions while embracing their shared Australian identity. While the English language is predominantly spoken in Australia, the country is home to people from all corners of the world. This festival, therefore, acts as a platform for these diverse communities to showcase their cultural riches. By attending or participating, you're not just having fun, but also promoting unity and diversity. If you ever find yourself in Australia during the Carnival of Cultures, here's what to look forward to. 1. Parades. Dancers in colorful costumes, rhythmic drum beats, and vibrant floats make the streets come alive. 2. Food stalls. A gastronomic journey around the world, right in Australia. You can sample dishes from various parts of the globe. 3. Art exhibitions. Artists showcase their works, often blending traditional and contemporary styles. 4. Music. From global beats to local tunes, there's music to get everyone dancing. When we learn about cultural events like the Carnival of Cultures, we're not just adding words to our vocabulary. We're understanding contexts, picking up idiomatic expressions, and grasping the sentiment behind words. Remember, language isn't just words, it's understanding people and their stories. And what better way to understand than through celebration? Thank you for joining us on this cultural journey to Australia's Carnival of Cultures. As you continue your English language learning journey, always remember that language is more than just grammar and vocabulary. It's about connecting with the heart and soul of its speakers. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.